Hey everybody, this video got a Medeco cylinder. It's a 1-inch mortise, used from a Radio Shack store. My first attempt on this, it actually opened in about 5 seconds, and so I gutted it on video anyway, and I haven't posted it yet. If I do post it, I'll link it up here. If I don't, I'll edit in at least that part of it. So anyway, I went ahead and gutted it anyway just to see what the hell was going on with it. And what it was is two of the springs were completely crushed, and one of them was not crushed all the way, but not in great shape. So when I put the key in like that to try it out, all I had to do was just wiggle it a little bit with the pick, and it just opened. So kind of funny. So what I did, I have a Medeco pinning kit, so I went ahead and replaced the springs in it. But the crappy thing is now I know what's inside of it. It's just all standard pins, no mushrooms or anything. So. Anywho, let's see if let me pick it again, or pick it I should say, because I don't even consider doing this a couple of times and having it open, picking it. Some rotation on that. So we can do some trying to rotate with that, but this actually has a little notch in it. See if we can rotate it, because I do believe I'm at shear. Fucking phone. A little more rotation. This is all I was doing on the last video. And it just turned open. Well, I guess I'm going to post it now since I'm calling it the last video, so I'll make sure I link it. There we go. So, just finish the rotation with the rake here. Get the vise out of the way. Key. I don't know why a lot of these have flathead screws on them. Yeah, I don't know if that opened like that because it's all standard pins or what. Got some more of these to screw around with. Alright, so there's our sidebar. There's a sidebar with our springs and everything. Sure not to lose those springs. Alright, and then we'll get the top here. Like I said, this is all standard pins. It did replace some springs. So standard. 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 That goddamn fucking phone, I swear. Alright, so there's our standard pins, and then drawer protection and springs. 3 new ones, 2 old ones. Inside of this guy. Hopefully monkeyed around with or anything. Key pins. Alright. So here's all of our key pins. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and post both these videos, one before this and this one, and then gates in these things. Now I got some more of these things to play around with. Is that, I don't know what the hell's up with this one. This is the easiest Medeco on the planet, probably. So anyway, that will that one's got false gates in it, number 5 there. So I don't know. Anyway, that's gonna do it for this video, and I will talk to everybody later.